Alright, I'm gonna go fish for some smallmouth. If you are seeing this, it probably means I caught some. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do some river fishing with some artificial rigs. Just love stream ecosystems, you know, all the crayfish, frogs, turtles, snakes, fish. Just see when I walk how many just move. Look, oh, there's two. Another one. Another one. Look at them all. Holy cow. I hope that the camera's picking them all up. There's crayfish everywhere. It's actually a decent size. In a little bit deeper water here. Should be good. Gonna keep throwing this crayfish. Done a few casts, nothing so far. Keep you posted. Oh. I think I feel one. Got one. Oh, tiny. Tiny. But nonetheless, it's a fish. That's what we wanted. Shows that they're biting. Not bad. I should be able to get some cool underwater release footage because the water is so clear here. See ya, bud. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Oh, it should, yeah. Look at all the minnows around me. So many crayfish and minnows. Caught one, and I saw two more following it. This one's actually a little bit better, too, than the last one. Not much, though. Still pretty small. Come here, buddy. Two more were following this guy right up. It's not a bad one. Love the pattern on him. Set this down here quick. The bronze backs. Awesome. Maybe in a little bit I'll get an underwater release. Actually, I'll get one right now. Drag a little. Come on. Oh, what was that? Oh, what is this? I have super light line on. Oh no, what's this? Oh, it's a nice smallie. Oof. Biggest smallie I've ever got, for sure. Oh yeah, come here, buddy. Oh. There we go. Hooks out. Holy. I don't have a weight or anything, but my oh my. That is a noteworthy fish. Definitely my PB smallmouth. Wow, great fish. It is tough to beat this fall river fishing. It's a gorgeous day out. It's like 72, sunny. Catching fish. That was my new PB smallmouth for sure. Day's made right there. But we're going to get some more here. Stay tuned. And thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Well, I can see it's not as big as... Oh! Putting up a fight though. Oh, it's definitely a decent one. I'll fight you out. More stubby. Definitely not bad. I would catch these all day. So that's number 4. I might throw on a tube bait. Maybe I'll get one more, then I'll try a tube bait. And so I've never fished with one, and I know smallmouth like them. All the minnows just follow me. I think they feel safer around me. I was a little skeptical at first because when I got here, there's a whole bunch of people putting all these goats on this island, like 500 goats. Maybe not 500, but I thought the dude said he bought 500. All on this island behind me. It's like this big island that I thought was a public park. But, no, they're loading goats onto them. They built like a bridge. It was kind of wild. Very nice though. They told me that there's smallmouth in here, which I kind of already knew, but it was nice to confirm it. So that was interesting. Look at this. Can you beat that? It's catching those smallies. Test, test, test. So the last footage I had was restored, but it in fact was not restored because I didn't get the whole fight of that last smallmouth on camera. So I just want to make sure that the GoPro's working. Got one. Hopefully it, doesn't delete my footage this time. Come on. Whoa, Ariel. Ooh. It's a nice one. This guy's fight. That was a huge Ariel. Wish I would have been filming in slow-mo. Another one. Hey, hey. This one's feisty. Splashing me? Come on now. Just quality. I'm gonna get a slow-mo underwater release for this guy. Alright, we're gonna take off the crayfish. It's working, so it's tough to take it off. You can always go back to it. But all I hear about for smallmouth are tube rigs, and I've never fished with one. So I want to break my tube rig virginity and see if I can get a fish on it. Someone's going off with the chainsaw right now, but got the tube rig on there. It's called a salty tube rig. There was like salt on it. I don't know. I got it from Walmart. Pack of them was $5. We'll see what they can do. Sorry about the chainsaw. Holy smokes. Goats I was telling you all about. Sure you can see them if there's no glare. You see them all up in there? There's a white one standing. And I guess they're just like terraforming this land. It's all those goats. On an island, I guess. Interesting. So I guess that's what else is in here. Green sunfish. Kind of over in that hole over there, doing a little bit of micro fishing here. Let's get them closer back to that hole. Good. We got a little smallmouth on a worm here. calm down. Hey. Another smallmouth. Wasn't going after him, but another tiny smallie microfishing. There's just so many smallies. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I did find out that those goats are actually going to be on that island for a week, and they pretty much just clear all of that vegetation, which is really cool. It's a cool way to get rid of the vegetation, and then I guess next week they come and they get the goats and they move them somewhere else, and they run a business doing that. So that's pretty sweet. If you hear the chainsaws or any of that in the back of the videos, that was them, you know, cutting down trees so the goats could get through and just eat all the vegetation. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm definitely going to go back there another time this fall because those smallmouth are going to be putting on the feed bag for the winter. So stay tuned, and thank you.